Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service. In this video, I'll take you through the setup for your Vive alternating pressure mattress. Included with your order will be one 5-inch alternating pressure mattress with pre-installed mattress cover and attachment straps, one air pump, one pair of connected air tubes, one patching kit, and one spare bladder replacement. All right, your first step will be to unfold and lay out the alternating pressure mattress. Now I've unfolded this one to show you some of the features on it and show you how it should be oriented on the bed. Up here at the top, at the head of the bed, you'll find the head icon on the mattress cover. That should be oriented closest to the headboard of the bed, as well as the CPR valve. At the head of the bed, you'll find one of the tabs here for the mattress. This will get tucked underneath the head of the mattress to keep it from shifting around. You'll also have the bed attachment straps to help keep it from shifting around. These will fit underneath the bed and attach through to these D-loops. There's 3 D-loops here, in the middle, and down at the foot of the bed. At the foot of the bed, there's a foot icon right here, another mattress tab that will get tucked underneath, and the pre-attached air hose. And the air hose will split, so you don't need to worry about that splitting or tearing. That's done deliberately so that it's easier to connect to the pump when we get there. For now, we'll start by fitting the straps underneath the bed frame and by tucking in the tabs underneath the mattress. We're down here to connect the mattress attachment strap to the D-loops, but while we're here, I wanted to point out the CPR valve. Now the CPR valve are these 2 air holes here that, when pulled open, will rapidly deflate the mattress if, like the tag says, CPR is needed. You don't want to try and resuscitate someone on an air mattress because the mattress is just going to bounce and you're not going to get any resistance. So while you can still get to the CPR valve, make sure that these caps are fitted over the valves nice and tightly. If they're not tight, the mattress is going to leak air as it's inflated and it may never reach or keep the inflation that you set it to. Now that that's sealed up, we can cover that up and get the straps attached. Now I've already attached the other 2 further down the bed. We're up here at the head of the bed. We'll take the strap. There's 2 D-loops here. So we'll fit the strap up through both, separate them, fit it over one and down through the other, and pull that. Right now we don't want to tighten it too much because we want to inflate the mattress first. Once the mattress is fully inflated, then we'll come back and tighten these up. Now that we have the mattress situated, it's attached to the bed, the CPR valve is shut, we're going to go ahead and we're going to hang the pump at the foot of the bed. Now we have the pre-attached air hose here. Remember, that can split if need be to make installing the tubes onto the valves any easier. Go ahead, fit those valves over, just push those down as best you can to get a good seal. Once those are nice and securely connected, get your air hose out of the way, hang the pump here, switch that on, and for the fastest inflation, turn the pump all the way up to firm. The mattress should take between 15 and 25 minutes to fully inflate, depending on the pressure setting that you set on the pump. While it inflates, we'll go over some of the details on it. The pump is designed to run all day and night. It doesn't need to be switched off when not in use, but it can be. It's a low air loss system, so even if the power is shut off, it will hold the air inside so long as the CPR valve isn't opened and the air hose isn't detached from the mattress or from the pump. It can be easily cleaned with any kind of mild soap and water or any kind of antibacterial cleaner. You can leave it to air dry. You can put a fitted sheet and maybe a chuck pad over it, but you don't want to put anything bulkier than that over the pad. Otherwise, you'll lose the benefit of the alternating air cells. You'll put too much cushion in between the patient and the air cells, and it'll lose its effectiveness. Now, once this is fully inflated, you'll see that there are 2 rows of air cells, or sort of 2 zones. Every other air cell will inflate and the ones in between will deflate. After a few minutes, the pump will shift over and the deflated air cells will inflate, the inflated cells will deflate. With that, it's pretty simple. We'll let it inflate. Once it's fully inflated, remember to tighten those securing straps. It's designed to run all day and night without interruption. You'll be all set to go. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have.